Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we will look at how long you can store red meat in the refrigerator or freezer before spoiling.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Improperly stored meats can be very dangerous, resulting in salmonella or E. coli. This is why it's very important to ensure your refrigerator is properly cooling. It should be between 37 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees to 4 degrees Celsius. Bacon can be stored for 7 days in the fridge. Ground beef or lamb can last 1 to 2 days, while roasts and steaks can last 3 to 5 days. Fully cooked ham, whole or slices, can last 5 to 7 days, while pork chops will last 3 to 5 days. Lunch meat or deli slices typically are good for around 3 to 5 days. Ground sausage can last 1 to 2 days, while smoked sausage can last 7 days, and hot dogs or frankfurters are good for 5 to 8 days. Be sure to keep fresh meats in their original packages and stored in the meat or deli drawer. So how long do these meats last in the freezer section? First, you will want to ensure your freezer is hitting temperatures of -5 degrees Fahrenheit and 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Also check out our video, Why Ice Crystals, Frost or Moisture Form on Your Food in Your Freezer, for tips on how to hit proper freezer temperatures. Frozen bacon can last for 1 month. Ground beef or lamb can freeze for 3 to 4 months, and roast or steaks can last 6 to 9 months. Fully cooked ham, whole or slices, can last 1 to 2 months. Lunch meat or deli slices can last 1 to 2 months. Pork will last 4 to 6 months, and sausages and hot dogs will keep for 1 to 2 months. When freezing longer than 2 weeks, cover the items with freezer wrap. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.